Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful and thrilling SUVs ever made, the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. Known for blending muscle car performance with family SUV practicality, the Durango Hellcat has built a reputation as a beast on wheels. And for 2026, Dodge turns the dial up even further, delivering more refinement, more aggression, and of course, more horsepower. Let's take a closer look at what makes this new Durango SRT Hellcat one of the most exciting SUVs of the year. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat arrives with a bolder, meaner look that perfectly matches its monstrous power. The front fascia features a larger air intake and a reworked grille for improved cooling and a more muscular stance. LED headlights have been redesigned for a sharper, more aggressive look, while the hood scoop remains a signature detail hinting at the power beneath. Around back, the quad exhaust setup and Hellcat badging remind everyone that this isn't your average SUV. New paint options and lightweight forged wheels add to its road-dominating presence. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood lies the heart of a legend, the supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8 engine, now tuned to deliver around 720 horsepower. Dodge has fine-tuned the power delivery for smoother acceleration while maintaining that signature Hellcat roar. The 8-speed automatic transmission delivers lightning-fast shifts, and the all-wheel drive system ensures that all this power translates into grip and confidence on any surface. The suspension has been recalibrated for better handling without compromising comfort, making the Durango as capable on a winding road as it is on a family road trip. Safety and technology. While the Durango SRT Hellcat is built for power, Dodge hasn't forgotten safety or tech. The 2026 model comes equipped with the latest driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Inside, the cabin is wrapped in premium materials with available Laguna leather seats and red stitching. A massive 12-inch Uconnect touchscreen dominates the dash, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon audio system. Performance pages allow drivers to monitor horsepower, torque, and G-forces in real time, blending thrill with technology. Conclusion. The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat continues to defy expectations, proving that family practicality and extreme performance can coexist. With its aggressive styling, cutting-edge tech, and unmatched power, it stands tall as one of the most exhilarating SUVs ever built. Whether you're at the track or on the highway, the Durango SRT Hellcat commands attention and delivers excitement like nothing else in its class. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more updates, reviews, and first looks at the hottest vehicles redefining performance and power.